Idebe Nso is the practice of keeping your abstinences, things that you as your spirit, if you were not asleep in this plane and just slowly awakening, right, you would know that there are things that are bad for you as a spirit, and then you will abstain from those things because eating them is orally is ajonni bad food. So you should not eat bad food. You should not eat stuff that is poisonous to you because you're hungry. So Idebe Nso now can include sexually inappropriate things, right? It can include foods that you eat, because everything is still eating. It's consumption. E.g., sex in dreams is like communion. It's like communion. So when you eat a bad sex in the dream, it can you can have, so a man can have a wet dream showing that he should not eat that thing when that warning comes, or if it's something that he has already eaten, he should not partake in it. He should go and wash himself or do something and appease. So Idebe Nso is to abstain. It's abstinence from whatever it is that your own spirit. That's why I like to say nso giabulon some nso di iche, because what spoils my spirit might be good for your spirit. Unlikely, yeah, but okay, for example, you might thrive with marijuana. Who knows? You might thrive with marijuana, but somebody else might take marijuana and they are completely blinded. Their pineal gland is completely blocked. They can't see their spirits. So that spirit should obviously not smoke marijuana. Whereas so many people who are excellent at Igbo, who use their arsenal well, their pineal, they smoke up like mad. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So Idebe Nso is the practice of maintaining abstinences. Yeah. Nso is holy. Nso is sacred. Nso can also be used, it's etymology, right? Etymology. It can also be used as what you keep away from.